All right. Another mail call. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Need a queen. Full art. Reverse hollow. Nice. Put that right here. All right, the last one. Let's get it. Haven't been able to find any sealed products, so I'm a bit debating if I want to rip my PC. I kind of don't, to be honest. Let's see. I have really bad. It might hit your chin, get itchy. It's pretty bad. Nothing else in here. Cool. Go. Oh, awesome. Got a few cards here. All right, let's get it. Oh, wow. Look. Oh, that's right. Purchased these. The Trio Tagteam. Just the regular one. It's full art. It's pretty cool, man. I think these cards are going to be worth something in the future. Especially since they probably won't be reprinting tag teams. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.